Welcome to our videos on accessibility at UAA. Here we're going to walk through how to edit the automatic captions in YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the YouTube account that your video is in, and you'll go to YouTube Studio and navigate to the content area. It'll say channel content at the top. This is where all of your media in YouTube lives. Find the video that you want to edit captions for and select it. You'll be taken to a video details page, and here on the right-hand side, you'll see a subtitles button. You also see it in the left-hand menu. Either one you click will take you to the video subtitles. So this is a video that I just uploaded, and YouTube has automatically captioned it because I didn't upload a captions file with it. It does take a little bit of time, maybe a couple hours, depending on the complexity and length of the video. But once the automatic captions have finished, you'll hover over that one that says automatic and click the pencil icon. Choose that you want to overwrite it, and then you'll be taken into the captions editor. There's two views where you can edit the captions in YouTube. You can either view it as a paragraph where all of the text is here, or with the timings alongside of it. Your process for editing your own captions will be unique to you, but this is the way that I like to go about it. I like to start in the paragraph view and simply go through and edit for basic spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and just do kind of a quick pass with that so that I know the captions are accurate. If you do need to take a look at what it says in the video, you can always play it back while you're editing the captions. So once I'm happy with that, I'll go up to the top and click Edit Timings. Here you can see the text on one side of the text that is actually on the screen for the captions and what time it's at in the time code. So this is where you can edit those details and kind of get really into the weeds. Now, for the most part, the timing will be accurate with the video, but depending on how specific you want to get with it, you can go in and edit so each individual thought or phrase is together on a single caption. The way I go about this kind of detail work is just playing back the video, and then where I see a break in the waveforms at the bottom of the screen, I'll hit the spacebar to pause, and I'll find the audio that I'm hearing up in that text box. I'll click in there and hit enter, and it'll start a new caption with that new text, so that then the captions are broken down kind of into those natural phrases. So I'll just continue to go through the video and hit enter at those kind of in-between places. And when I need to get more specific about things, I can go in and drag the captions on that track down below to move them around a bit. When I'm happy with how I've set the captions, I can go up to Publish, and then we can take a look and see how the captions look on my video on YouTube. We hope that these videos can help you make your content a little more accessible. If you're an instructor who needs help making their content more accessible, contact UAA's instructional design team at UAA_design@alaska.edu. If you're a student who needs support with accessibility, contact Disability Support Services at 907-786-4530 or by email at UAA_DSS@alaska.edu.